What up, people? It's your boy, the one and only Jamero. We don't care, my man. I'm sorry. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, guys, we'll be doing a smash or pass game. Let's get it. Drip check. Look at the drip check, man. Come on, man. How can you pass this nigga? Okay, go. Let's start for the next one. Come on.
It's just the jokes. Hey, man. It's just jokes. It's just joking. Oh man, Jay. I wouldn't.
Yeah. Unjan. Hello, Unjan. Musef. Bengkak Bhutan. I'm my guy right here. Would you smash or pass him, man? I just want to know, man. Which would you smash or pass him?
I pass.
Pass.
Sisekake.
Why pass? Why you passing him? Yeah? Oh, man. Unjan, why have
Nakhona ngathi ngibuka ngathi hawu.
Ngiyabuta musi. Why ngafuna? Ngiyabuta mina. Ngiyabuta. Unjan. Okay. Ngihamba la uhlami. Oya baba, awonja baba. Would you smash him? Are you smashing or passing him?
Why are you running? Why are you?
How? Come on. How? Why? Why? Would you smash him? Oh, would you smash him? Bantwana basekasi basaba. Bayisaba lento. Oh.
Futsek.
What's happening? Huh?
Mangikhonile nangakhona ngakhona. Ungaze ungifostele. Kufuna kube kuvuma kwenhlitiyo ukuthi iyavuma. Ungaze ungifoste uthi hey nangikhonile utobona ngami.
Okay, boy. Special pass, right? Let's go. I see some hands.
Msayovuna boss mame.
Let's see.
Oh, man, no,
I think I blind, man. Ay, di kat. Yung wala pero suksilit-sit, pero solid yan.
Ancora quando è popolo, ma ci te buco.
Are you passing him? Why? You want to know why are you passing him?
Why? Back to Limpopo.
Hey, my team. My team, my guys.
Yes, I won.
Smash! Oh my God!
Smash it. No, pass. Pass.
Why?
Pass time. Yeah.
Huh? Let's see your mangala.
Yes.
Why?
Why would Times 50.
Why times 50?
It's not my time.
But I times 50.
Does he have a car?
Why so simple?
Yeah, I think so.
He does it. Do you have a car?
No.
How much do you have in your account?
Only by the look.
No. Like, how much do you have in your account?
No.
Relax,
How much?
Pass.
Take the money.
Capital letters.
How much do you have?
By the look, only by the
How
look.
much do you have?
He's not my time. Are you guys going to post me on Facebook?
Angihlangi mina ekhanda. Yebo sometimes. Ngiyahlanya sometimes.
Where? What is the name of your page?
No, I see Jason Jamil. Please subscribe.
I won't even know the name tomorrow. Yes. Thank you, but I am.
Can you answer my question?
On Instagram, you know who I am.
Alinge nje uzoyinikeza ithuba lokuthi ungijwayele kabi. Xa singajwayelani kabi.
Okay, bye, but I am. Tada! Post me on YouTube, guys. I don't even know my IG handle. Yes.
Below Loipilai.
Wow. You don't know your IG
In my bank account.
My phone.
From 10,000 upwards, boy.
I don't mind you saying 10,000 apart. I can show you 10,000 for you.
Yes, I can.
Oh, you can? I have my phone for you.
Yes, I can. But I can't do that in public. Why? If you can get that game, guys, no, I can't do that.
It's just the jokes.
No, not you, but
So, nah.
them are different.
Let pass.
Yeah, you understand. Why?
Right? What's your name?
Cindy's.
Cindy. So. You just messed this guy.
Huh?
What's the mention about you? Why? Why you na? Sina what was why? Ubandlulelani? Huh? What? What's special one? Why? Kom shelan. Ay, ku right kusho answer. Sina what vele. No hard feelings.
Just DJ.
Oh, just like the answer man. Sina what good drip check. Drip check. Is it dripping the way you want to? No. Maybe is it the drip? Oh, face card? What is face card? Huh? What is it?
Arankas.
Oh, Araktas. Okay, thank you. Ne? What's your Facebook handle? Facebook handle, yeah, okay. Facebook, Roban.
Cindy Swap. P. Matebula.
Okay, thank you. Ne? Yeah. Let's go. I select on this one, yeah. I'm wrong. Yeah, move on, Jim. Never pass a miss. Watch out. Huh? Watch out. Hello, watch out. Ito sa pass a miss, ne? Marahaba na leka ya mwe. Would you smash or pass him? I'm smash or pass. Smash.
Ipongopongo enye yazo kwezinye zazo. Ungangiphanja le. Shisha brown, shisha white.
My boys! You know the boys. One for the boys. No. You'll be on YouTube. YouTube boy. Let's go, boy. Let's go, boy. Where are they? Hello, John. Would you smash or pass me? Smash!
We're enjoying ourselves here.
My boy, 2 for the boy! Away.
And you
you may not understand it. It's not an easy subject. So
Isukile. Let's go. We're back to the streets, back to work.